Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge GoPro Hero 13. So in order to do that, you might need to use the USB-C cable that comes with the GoPro, which you can find inside the box. However, in addition to that, you also need to have a power adapter. So in this case, you can use the same power adapter that you use for your phone, as long as you have the USB-C port in the power adapter as well. In my case, that is not the case. But the good news is that most of the time you can just simply use the same cable that you use for charging your smartphone in order to charge the GoPro. As long as it is USB-C on one side, you can actually connect it to the GoPro. So once the power adapter is connected, and then of course you can use the USB-C cable, but in order to plug it into the GoPro, we need to open the side door where we have the battery. So of course it is located on the opposite side of the power button. So use your two fingers in order to pull it down like so, and then move it, open the door. And now over here we have our USB-C port that we can use in order to charge. So just plug it in, and then we should have the information that the GoPro is being charged. You can see it on the battery icon. And if you try to actually connect to a computer instead of the power adapter, then in that case you will just connect it through the USB and you can transfer data, but essentially this is what you can do. So most likely you need to use a power adapter that you use for the phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!